Ayan o. Ala, sige. Hindi siya umaalis sa inyo guys. Oh, gusto niya kayo. Oh. Gumalaw kayo kasi gusto niya yan. Gusto niya yung nagmo-move. Oh. Yeah, sinusundan kaya Dexa. Okay. Ito ba yan? Ay, isa lang. Hindi kanina kasi parang marami. Yeah, 2. Akala ko nga 2. Ang bilis na. Oo nga, ang bilis. Ew. Kinakain niya yung pungpo.
Earlier over there, while you're watching, there was a penguin poops, and then it went all over the rocks.
Ew. Yan sila, oh. Yeah. She love you, Dexa. Ayan, nag-enjoy yung mga bata dito ngayon. Dexa, here on. Dami nila, oh. Dexa, come here, baby. There. Ayan. Dalarama Day for Dexa! Mamili na naman daw siya ng for Valentine's Day!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Welcome to Dalarama! Ano?
Oh, it's so big.
Yeah, oh grabe nga, big nga! Grabe, big nga naman to! Dito, wow! Malaki daw tong Dalarama, sabi ng mga bata. Okay, Dexy, sinong tulungan mo? Si ading mo? Ah, sige.
We're not allowed to get candy.
No candies, only like this. Wow, marami. Pili daw sila ulit. Meron din pala mga ganito, oh. Ziplock niya, oh.
Or maybe we should put in these
Bags.
bags.
Parang gusto ko ding bumili for office, ah. Ay, yung last year, yan ang binigay niya.
I think we need 3 packs. 4 packs of them. No, only 3. 15, 30. You only need 30, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is 30.
2?
You want stickers put in? Yeah. These are also. No, they're not. Yeah, you can have these for the boys.
Boys and girls.
Because now we have new students and how many are there? Are you sure 30? Yeah.
Yan lang ibibigay niya? Akala ko pipili kayo ng Valentine's na parang sticker. Ah, hindi. Yung card. Ah, there's the card that you bought last year. So, ito yung last year. Your amazing teacher. Ito, bigay mo sa teacher na boy. Pag girl naman na yan.
Oh, these are.
Ay, nahulog. Sorry. Nahulog siya. Ayan naman ang gusto daw
Are
nila.
you sure? Because altogether this is only 24.
Yes. 6 12. And then 6, 12. 12 girls, 12 boys. Di ba ganun yun? Oo, kasi 6
Yeah,
yun.
that's 24.
Yeah.
Do you have more boys or more girls? 12? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you probably have more.
20. Ayaw niya yan, Dad. Ano daw yan, ball.
No, because this is Hey Valentine.
Ito si Jackson natin na.
Oo nga. Hindi, pipili kayo ng Jackstone talaga. Sige na, pumipili mo na siya.
That's good. I thought you had more than 12.
Yeah.
24.
Coffee nila here. Ganda ng fur niya, oh. Lexa, here, oh. Ang ganda. It's so cute. Ano, pinili ni Dexa. Ibigay niya daw sa mga classmates.
Or I could.
Stuffy?
No, for me.
Diyos ko, Dexa, ang dami mo ng ganyan sa bahay. Stop na buying those things. Please.
I'm gonna go to the art section.
Okay. Ano ba bibilhin mo? For art section. Ano ba bibilhin mo? Oh, ang cute na mga to, Dexa. Oh, ang cute. You want to use some headband on Valentine's Day? Ay, hindi pala kasi hindi ka naman pala.
We don't celebrate it.
No, you're at home on the 14th.
Oh, yeah.
Happy Valentine's! Ay, mapagod naman yung kamay mo dyan. Pagod na. Tapos na, pagod na kamay mo. Okay.
We're not done yet.
We're not done yet. Huh?
Boop, boop, boop.
Oh, this one is for
Sister,
Easter.
what's coming up?
Yeah, mag-Easter hunting tayo.
Wanna go to the craft section? Ma!
That's so cute. Gusto daw ni Dexa siya daw magbabayad.
Stars.
Okay? Okay. Start.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. $2.
Okay, saan mo ilalagay?
Here?
Candy? Okay, here ka. Dito ilagay. Dito ata, Dexa. Not there.
Thank you for
Not
your
there,
next item
Dexa.
in the bagging area.
Okay, here mo ilagay. Okay? Okay, gusto ni Dexa. Next.
I'll pass it to you. You just stand.
$5.
Put it here? Yes.
Ayan, burger mo yan.
No, I don't like burgers. Kakakain natin ng burger, Dad. Hop. Nasaan yung tag niya? There. Grabe, mag-scan si Dexa. Ang layo. Ilapit mo, Dexa. Yan. Yan. Oh my God, Dexa.
There in the corner.
Oh, ang galing na niya. Pwede na siya magtrabaho dati. Trabahuhin mo na.
Please scan your first item.
Wala pala tayong plastic.
Ears na siya.
Wala pa siyang ear sa bahay.
63 cents.
Wala siyang ganyan din.
Insert cash or select payment type. $2.25.
$2.
Mhm.
This one is $1.
Mhm.
Everything na is yung mga Valentine's mo.
Thank you for shopping at Dollarama.
Oh, saan? Ayan, ayaw niya? Oh, ayaw. Oh,
$1.50.
okay.
$1.75.
Oh, dami din.
$1.75.
Mhm. Oh, mas mahal pala yung mga boys. Oh, kulang-kulang 50 sila. Okay, pay na. Okay? So, dahil wala tayong plastic, maghawak kayo sa item na binili nyo, okay?
Especially you, Dexa.
Especially Dexa, you have a lot. Okay?
No, that's not mine.
That's not mine. Oh, ano kanino yan? Dexa, hey, please hold your things there.
Wow.
Ang gulo ni Dexa. Naglalagay daw si Dexa ng name sa door niya. Yan na. Buti lang nakakita tayo sa zoo, Dexa.
Well, isn't our door is not magnet?
Eh, eto, lalagay yan ni Daddy lang, oh. Okay, so, choose mo yung name mo, D-E-X-A. Yan. Lagay natin dito mabuti.
Okay, got the D.
Okay. Hold a second. Kailangan ba tanggalin to?
Yeah.
Okay, remove the sticker, though.
I can.
Remove mo muna yung sticker.
Gently.
Gently. Oh, hindi mo kailangan to. Ito lang kasi nakita ko sa Dollarama eh. Na size niya, pwede ata dyan. Tingnan natin muna yung size. Ito, number naman to. Gently, sabi niya. Careful. Tanggalin niya daw itong sticker. Marunong ka magtanggal?
Yeah.
Malaki siya. Anyway, sige. D. Okay, get the E. Huwag mo masyadong idikit. X. Para yung space niya mamaya. X, A. Wala na mamayang space dito. Okay. Huwag mo masyadong idikit muna. Ganyan lang muna. And then A. Saka muna idikit mabuti. Okay, A. Get the A. I-adjust natin yung spacing. Ako. Medyo ano kasi itong si Dexa masyadong nagmamadali. Okay.
No, you are.
Ililayo mo pa ng konti. Okay, I know the space is not good. I can see it. Okay? Okay, adjust natin. Okay? See the space here? Masyadong malayo. Okay? Hindi pantay ang space. So, what we will do, remove mo yan. Yung E, dikit mo pa. Okay, come here sa room mo. Lagay na natin.
You can open the door.
Ay, hindi natin pinatay yung ilaw dyan. Yan, saan na? Meron ka kasing nilagay dito eh, oh. Ito lang kasi yung nilagay ni Dexa, hindi permanent. Sinabit-sabit niya. Ibig sabihin gusto niya magkaroon ng name sa pintuan niya. Yan, palitan na natin.
No!
Go down. Okay.
A little bit more down, kinda.
Okay na. Yung spacing dito. Dito kan konti.
Yeah, right
Yeah.
here.
Dito ka Dexa.
This way, this way, this way, this way. This way. This way, this way. This way.
Okay.
This way.
Okay na yan. Ay, huwag naman siya. Sobra naman. Okay na. Okay na yan.
Just a little, just one step.
Yung tayo niya. Yung straight niya.
Straight niya. Tama
Hindi na
naman.
may lalim.
Pag ganyan. Okay na.
Okay na yan?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
After this, after this.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Pupumilit tong babaeng to. Yan.
Ba't ka rito?
Ayusin mo din yung sticker na niya. Ayusin mo yung sticker. Okay, dikit mo. Kasi baka isang araw, bigla na lang malaglag lahat yan. Okay, push mo yung gilid niya. Yan. Oh, may name tag na yung door ni Dexa. Okay, ganyan. Sabi ko, idikit mo. Yan. Sundan mo yung E. Oh. E, E. Yan. Para ma-dikit talaga siya. X, E. Okay. Dexa. Wala pang ang room eh.
I do.
Okay, ayan. Oh, ang ganda na. Dexa. Wow. Valentine's na Valentine's si Dexa. Red na red ang damit. Okay, Dexa, ano ka na kay daddy mo? Let's go na. Kain muna tayo before Dex's piano lesson. Dito yan sa... Saan tayo kakain, Dexa?
Seafood City.
Seafood City. O ano? May naisip na kayong order nyo?
Mommy, sorry.
Order na kami daw, di ba? Baba mo kami
Sorry.
dito.
But for Saturday and Sunday, you have
Let's
to
go.
spend money on me and I because you know
Okay, go down na tayo.
Drink, you know?
Yeah. Dexa, bilisan mo. Ang lamig na yun. Negative 21.
Nagusala.
Oh, kasi nga tinanggal mo eh. Gusto mo? Nag-order na si mama. Ito marami oh. Yan. Dito tayo magbayad. Si ate na magbayad. Okay, to the honor to pay.
No top.
Okay, may card ako. Saglit. Bibingka. Pansit Malabon. Yan. Meron pang mga binili mga bata. Okay, let's eat first, Dexa. Eat. How's the taho? Masarap? Filipino food tayo ngayon. Meron din silang biniling ganito. At what's that, Dexy? Dexy, can I have that? This 1, 2, 2, 3. Po, ang tigas ang katawa mo, Dexa. Ang gulo. Busy si Dexa. What's that? For Christmas?
No, not Christmas.
Ano din ginagawa mo?
Valentine's Day, Mommy.
Oh, Valentine's Day. Ayan, so ito yung mga binili namin sa Dollarama this year, 2025. So, ang cute nga naman. Kakaiba naman this year.
Yeah.
Pakita ko lang muna.
Here.
Eh, hindi ko mapaano dyan ha. Tapos sa mga guys naman, sa mga boys, I mean, sa mga boys naman ganito yung binili niya. Cars naman. Saglit lang to laruin, Dexa. 1 minute and then they're done. At sa mga girls naman ito daw. Dexa, baka kulang yung girls ka.
I don't need kulang anymore. I can't play.
Okay, sige.
Huh? Like 10 or 11.
Oh. Oo, kasi 12 yan eh. Okay, so yan ang istorya ng kanyang biniling simple things for her classmates this year. Ayan, madami pa kaming pang Christmas gift na nandun. Bakit pala hindi natin naibigay yung Dexy? Mga Christmas gift na yan. Chocolate yan, no? Okay, chocolate. So, buksan na lang natin yan para hindi ma-expire. Dexa, ba't ang dami mong headband dyan?
I don't know.
Naglinis si Daddy. So, ito naman daw ang bibigay niya sa teacher. Ano siya, oh. Chocolate na
May you
flower.
be my Valentine because it's tomorrow.
Tomorrow na ba yun?
Yeah?
Oh yeah, tomorrow you have to give that. Oh, good thing pala, nag-vlog na tayo today. Buti lang naalala niya. Okay, yan lang naman ang gagawin ni Dexa. Susulatan lang daw niya ng mga pangalan to. And then from Dexa. Hindi kasi binigay ng teacher yung list, no? So, this year, hindi binigay ng teacher yung list. So, susulat na lang ni Dexa daw yung name niya dito. And then, kung sino yung matandaan siguro niya ng mga classmates niya. Yan. So, Dexa, maybe you can start with girls. Kasi, wag mo naman lahat, Start with girls. So, dalawa daw ang teacher niya. Oh, Dexa. Almost $2 din to. 1 and 50 cents.
So that, if it's both
So, dalawang teacher. Ito din, may 2 din siya, oh. 2 and from Dexa. Sulat mo. Yeah.
Why?
Eh, syempre, may tag pa.
What's the tag for?
Ito. And then, ilagay natin siya sa paper bag, okay? Yan. So, busy na si Dexa dito. Ba't mo pa kailangang ihiwalay?
Will I just give it like this? They don't need 2 cars.
No. Yeah. True. Oh, inarrange pa niya. So, marami daw siyang boys kasi to na classmate. So, I don't know kung paano matanggal to. Tanggalin natin saglit. Yan. While she's doing that. And then, isulat natin mamaya yung name mo, okay? Oh, dami, Dexa. Yan, nagkikit nga din, oh.
He's so
pamigay niya.
cute.
Pamigay naman niya sa girls yung ganito. Pony. Little pony. Ito naman sa mga boys. Yan. Okay.
Boys, boys, boys. Boys are always trouble.
Lagot kapag narinig ng boys yan. Continue what you're doing.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy Valentine's. Say Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day. Just in 1 second, I'm going to be back.
Okay. Yan, so $2 din pala tong mga cars na to, no? This is cars, no? And then, ito, mas mura yung sa girls, Dexa. $1.75. Ito yung sa girls, eh. Yan, mas mura yung sa girls. Kaso mas marami nga siyang biniling for boys. Ito na, Dexa, for your teacher, Dalawang teacher mo.
No, this one is my supervisor. This is my teacher.
Okay. Bibigyan mo?
I'm lunch teacher.
Bibigyan mo pa yung lunch teacher?
Yeah?
Okay. She's a Filipino? Ay, hindi. Ano
No,
siya?
one of the lunch teachers are Filipino.
Ba't di mo bigyan?
Because they're not my teacher and I won't see them.
I see.
And it's hard to give to them because I don't know where they are.
Ah,
I'm busy.
busy na siya. Nag-email pa ako sa teacher mo, kaso lang di ata sumagot kung ilang kids. Or hindi sumagot yung teacher kung ano yung mga name ng mga classmates mo. Yan. From Dexa, you ought to be my Valentine.
Wait, show me.
Yan
Show me.
Ito, you ought to. Ito naman. I'll never tire our friendship. Wow.
Oh, to be my
Valentine.
Wait, I think it means you must be.
Oo, yeah. Auto nga. You drive me wild, Nax. Diyos ko, ano ba naman to? I like how you roll. Oh my God. So cute. You drive me wild. Ganun to. Ang daming pink. Paano yung pink na yan? Bakit pink naman
So
yan?
this is red.
Red ba yan? Sorry naman. Kala ko.
My mom doesn't know color.
My mom doesn't know colors. Over the rainbow for you. Oh, cute. Ito naman, you are one of a kind. Oh, gaganda. Okay, sige, start na tayo. Start na si Dexa magsulat ng kanyang name. Oh, ang ganda ng sulat ni Dexa. My friend from Dexa. Okay. Okay, enjoy putting your names and your friend, okay? Okay, happy Valentine's again. Bye.
Sometimes, bye.
So my Valentine's Day gift to her
Oh.
was her new nightlight. Remember?
So, binigyan ka din niya ng card.
Thank you, baby.
Look, it says,
Oh.
I am
Oh.
kind-hearted, tender,
Oh.
loving, thoughtful, and gracious.
Wow! Sabi mo kay ate.
Yeah, that's me and
Oh.
this is my name.
Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for all you have done for me. I hope you will be my forever sister. Thank you for taking care for me. Love, Dexa. Oh! Binigay mo yan kay ate? Oh, that's so sweet. Saan mo ginawa yan?
School.
Oh, talaga kay ate mo yan ibibigay?
Yeah.
Wala kang binawa sa akin na.
I already got it for you.
Okay. So, eto daw yung mga natanggap niya. Ang liit naman na natanggap mo. Eto yung mga binigay natin
Yeah.
Uda, dalawang nagbigay sa classmate niya.
No, this one is my friend. No. This one
Binigyan
is
ka
my
din.
friend. Yeah, because we had the same.
The same yung binigay nyo. Okay.
Thank God.
You're
I know,
so
this one
sweet and cool.
This one I already earned, but I'm growing because these are smelly
Mm.
erasers. They
Oh,
smell
ganito lang. You're triple the fun. Ganun
And
siya.
they smell good. You can smell
Yeah.
it, guys. You like it?
Yun lang ang Valentine's si Dexa sa school. Hindi naman masipag ang mga classmates mo mag-prepare ng for Valentine's. What about the girls? They did not even prepare?
3 people.
3 people. Ikaw nga nag-prepare ka ng marami
And
eh.
the 3 people were girls.
Only girls are loving though.
Only 3 people.
Okay!
Bye!
Next year ulit!